Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Defender for Cloud Workload Protection step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Azure portal. Log into your Azure account using your credentials. Once you're in the Azure portal, look for the search bar at the top of the page. Type Microsoft Defender for Cloud into the search bar and press Enter. Select Microsoft Defender for Cloud from the search results. In the Defender for Cloud dashboard, find the Getting Started section. Click on Enable under the Workload Protection option. You will be directed to the Workload Protection settings page. Choose the subscription you want to enable workload protection for. Review the list of available workloads to be protected. Select the workloads you wish to enable Defender for. Click on the Enable button to start the protection process. Wait for the confirmation message indicating that workload protection has been enabled. Once enabled, review the security recommendations provided by Defender for Cloud. Monitor the security alerts and recommendations regularly to maintain optimal protection. Adjust the configuration settings as necessary to suit your security needs. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled Defender for Cloud Workload Protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.